Google didn't just unveil the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a, but also the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It will be offered in two colors, Moonstone and Jade color. It's IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, 10.8mm thick when folded, 5.2mm thick when unfolded, and weighs 258 g. Google delivers two vivid displays, a 6.4-inch Actua cover screen and an expansive 8-inch Super Actua Flex inner screen, both pushing peak brightness to an impressive 3000 nits. It runs on Google's Tensor G5 processor built on 3nm technology, optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. There's a 48MP main camera, a 10.5MP ultrawide with 127-degree field of view, 10.8MP telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and two selfie cameras both 10MP. The device boasts a 5015 mAh battery with support for 30W wired charging and 15W Qi2 wireless charging. It's priced at $1,799. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.